It's been a while. And that is because I'm moving. So this is probably going to be only one of 2 videos I put out in April. The machine knitting video is coming. It's just taking a lot longer than I anticipated. It's just a lot to edit, and I still have to film the reveal. But we'll get there. For this video, I thought I would show some examples of mending and how I like to do visible mending. I've got some overalls that have a little rip, and so we're gonna do a little bit of embroidery over the top of that. And I wanted to show you how I mend one of my favorite pieces, which was done with visible mending. Without further ado, let's just dive right in. Before we jump into the current repair job, I want to share with you the project that ignited my love of visible mending. This cardigan I bought when I worked in an op shop. It's a cashmere blend that had all these little holes in it. I wore it like that for years as just a throw-on cardi, but one day decided to try and do some visible mending based on these jumpers in the ready-to-wear spring-summer 2017 Dior show. I was low-key obsessed with them. I took inspiration from the motifs and put them over the major holes that were on the cuffs. You can see here on the back where I just needle felted over those holes. All the little silver stars cover up smaller patches where I only needed to secure a couple of stitches, plus some extras for aesthetic. Through doing this, it has turned into one of my favorite garments in my wardrobe. To start this project, I went through my books on embroidery and picked out some motifs that I thought would cover the rip. I ended up going with the leaf from the Marguerite motif in Simply Stitched by Yumiko Higuchi. I decided to go with the Simply Stitched leaf pattern, which I've sort of tried to draw on here using an erasable pen. So it's removed by friction, which means it erases with heat, which means you can just run an iron over it and the ink will disappear. Always test it first. I think I've talked about this in previous videos, but highly recommend. Great for embroidery. To ensure this repair was going to hold over time, I reinforced the rip with a zigzag stitch and a backing patch in a fabric of a similar color. it's done. I'm very happy with how this turned out, and it repaired a hole that was made so much worse by me not repairing it and continuing to wear these like a bad child. I don't know exactly how I feel about the black little veins of the leaf on the blue, but I like it for now, and I tend to wear either black or blue with this anyway, so it works with my wardrobe. I hope you enjoyed this little sort of semi-tutorial slash this is what I do to visibly mend my clothes. Let me know if you decide to visibly mend anything, and I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely week. Bye!